everyone, my name's Dave and I'm so excited to share with you this rack of lamb recipe. Every time I make lamb, I wonder why don't I make more? This is an easy recipe where I smoke and then reverse sear. You can also do the same recipe on the grill. Let's get it started. This all starts with the beautiful rack of lamb, which I'll slice up into the lamb chops. Look how beautiful that is. And again, a lot of people say French cut these all the way down. I love the taste of fat on the lamb and I don't want to lose any of this meat. So I cook it without trimming it down so that all that flavor is still there. Okay, now we're gonna start with the marinade and I'll get this all chopped up here in a bit. We'll have the olive oil. We're gonna have kosher salt, black pepper, red crushed pepper, rosemary from my garden here, as well as parsley and mint, all from my garden, some garlic, and I'll get some lemon zest. And we'll mix that all up and then put it all over the lamb. There's something so satisfying about the smell of lemon zest as you're doing this, and it makes you wonder why you don't put it on more things. And then I'm gonna chop this all up together into real small pieces with my chef knife. Mix that in. Smells so good. Look at that, how fresh. I just coat it over the top. Oh, this smells incredible. Now I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes. If you're more prepared than I am, you can do this and let it sit overnight and it'll even soak in that much more, but already smells incredible. Look at that, beautiful. We're going to start our herb sauce. Very similar things that we just did. Parsley, fresh mint leaves. Again, nice to have the garden back here to where you can just grab all this from. Chives, garlic, lemon juice squeezed in there, kosher salt, red chili, pepper flakes, and olive oil. And there's our herb sauce. Oh, for when that's done, so good. Great flavor. It's gonna really help the lamb, which is already gonna taste amazing even if you just put pepper and salt on it, but this is just a nice little touch. So the next step now, we'll take the lamb, we'll put it on the smoker, and then we'll reverse sear it. We'll want the final temperature to be about 125 for the lamb, so it's nice and pink on the inside, and it'll just melt in your mouth. Now for this meal, the rack of lamb definitely is the star, but just for a fun little supporting character here, the sweet potatoes, which give a nice flavor to go with the lamb. I'm gonna do it a fun way. I'm just gonna spin these into kind of thin, curly fries, nice and thin. They'll grill up real nice with a little bit of butter, salt, and pepper. Okay, I've got the marinade that's been settling in on the lamb. Smells amazing. We've got the stringy sweet potato fries that are gonna go with this. We'll do that on the grill too. The grill's up to temperature, but we're gonna give this a quick smoke to about 115 degrees internal temperature, then bring it on here for a quick sear, slice it up, plate it with the fries, and enjoy. Look at that lamb. Smells so good already. We'll take it off when it hits about 115 degrees. Okay, so internal temperature is about 118 right now. We're gonna take this beautiful piece of meat off. We're gonna give it a reverse sear. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. We're gonna take the sweet potatoes first here though. Put a little oil out here. Spread these out. Put a little butter out here and a little salt and pepper on these as well. Let those go for a little bit, and then I'm gonna give this a nice quick reverse sear. We'll put it all together on a plate, and it'll be time to eat and enjoy. Lay it right here for a nice sear. We're gonna take this off, let it rest for 10 minutes here. Okay, the potatoes look great. They taste great too. The lamb's been resting here 10 minutes. This herb sauce, it tastes incredible too. Oh my goodness, that is so incredible. Oh my goodness, this is insanely good. Thank you so much for joining me on this cook. Again, my name's Dave. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like below. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. Be happy to do it. And remember, spread love through barbecue.